If you're a beginner on Capcut, then you might want to stick to the end of this video because today I'm going to share with you 10 tips and tricks that is going to help your editing games on Capcut. To add, if you're a content creator, the last two important tools is for you. So please stick to the end of this video. Let's get started. The first on my list is Capcut's logo. By default, when you edit with Capcut, Capcut automatically creates their logo at the end of the video. There is a solution for that. You can actually split and delete. But here is something you can do to permanently remove it from your videos. The first thing you want to do is click on this icon here, and you're going to see add default ending. Mine is turned on, so I'm going to turn it off. You see the keep and discard, you click on discard, and that's it. The next tool you need to know is noise cancellation. If you happen to do your videos in a noisy environment, not to worry. Capcut has something that is going to make those noise disappear. All you have to do is click on edit and look for where it says reduce noise. Click on it, and mine is turned off, so I'm going to turn it on and click on good, and that's it. All noise reduced. Next on my list is video format. So every platform has this format, and for you to edit your video seamlessly, you need to use the format. For instance, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram has their format. Let me show you how you can use each format for its purpose. So your project is here, and you look for aspect ratio. We have for TikTok, we have for YouTube, we have for all sorts. So we're working on YouTube, which is 16.9, and that's what we're going to use. And that's it. So make sure you understand each platform and what ratio they use. Next on my list is remove background. Now, if for instance I do not like the background that I'm sitting and doing this video, let me show you how you can actually remove the background of a particular video that you are doing. So you want to click on edit and look for remove BG. Remove BG. Once you get to click on it and you click on auto remover, you're going to allow it to remove without interrupting this process. And once it's done removing, you're going to have something like this, and then you can do whatever you wish with it. The next we're going to look at is Keyframe. Keyframe is a tool that is used to zoom in and out, thereby making the audience feel attracted to your video. This effect I really like. Let me show you. Your project, you're going to click on it, and you're going to click on this icon here to apply the background. You zoom in how you want. You come here, you come on it again and remove it. That is minus. You go back, you click on it, and you zoom in. So that's what we have. Let's preview and see what it looks like. So that's it. The next on my list is overlay. This tool is highly needed in your videos, especially if you want to place a video on top of another. Let me show you how. To achieve your overlay, you come on your video and you click on overlay. It takes you to your gallery, so you pick a picture you actually, or a video you actually want to work with. Sorry, let me reduce the noise. And that's it. Next on my list is add stickers. You can use add stickers to add a sticker on your video like this. Let me show you how you can do it. Okay, what you do for your stickers is you click on your stickers, and if you are a YouTuber or your content creator, you want to use the subscribe button, you click on this alarm bell here and you select any one of your choice. You place it where you want to be, you click on good, and you export your video. There you have it. Next on my list is add voiceover. I'm sure you have seen vlogs of people actually saying things behind the video they actually put out. Let me show you. So for your voiceovers, you click on audio and you click on record. You click on this button here that looks like a mic. You say what you want to say when after the count of 3, and once you're done, you click on good. You click on that, it saves, and you click on good, and you export your video. That's it. Next on my list is auto capture. This tool is highly recommendable because sometimes you might be in a noisy place and the audience that are watching it might not get the opportunity to listen to it. With auto capture, they will read through what you are saying. Let me show you how you can add text to your screen for your audience to understand you properly. You click on capture and it takes you to this page where you click on any type of capture that you want for your video. Let me go with this one, and you click on generate. Once you click on generate, it's going to keep generating, so do not interrupt it. It's trying to pick up all of your words. Now mind you, sometimes these things are not correct, so you probably might need to cross check. Next on my list is teleprompter. Yes, a lot of you find it difficult to actually cram what you want to say to your audience. You really want to teach, but because you feel you can't take in all of the information you are willing to dish out, thereby discouraging you from actually putting out your content. With teleprompter, you're going to write down every details you want to discuss with your audience, and you're going to face your camera and say it, and they won't even know that you're actually reading from a phone. Let me show you how you can do this.
So for the teleprompter, you click on expand. It's now on pro, but I have a trick for that. If you want, let me know. I can do a video on it. You open it, and here are my words. So I'm just already, you have to have them already typed, and then include them on the time that you want. Press play and it starts. I am a Capcut teleprompter, and I can help you remember all your lines, and that's it.
The last but not the least is this that you see here. This is called tracking. Let me show you how you can actually track your words with just your palm on Capcut.
Tracking, you click on text and you add text. You type on what you want. You type in what you want, sorry, and you click good. You look for tracking, and this is it. But then your palms would as well be showing for the effect to happen, and you click on start tracking. Once it's done, you save.
We have finally come to the end of this video, and I hope these tips and tricks help you. I can't wait to see you use them on your videos, as they are going to enhance and make your videos look so seamless and attractive to the audience. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.